Hi, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Impress Your Date series. This is my take on Osaka-style Okonomiyaki, which is Japanese savory pancake with a special sauce and Kewpie mayonnaise, which I like a whole lot more than American mayonnaise. The main ingredient of okonomiyaki in Japan is shredded cabbage. I amp up the flavor by using coleslaw rather than plain cabbage. The word okonomiyaki means as you like it, so please feel free to customize this pancake with your own ingredients to impress your date. So let's start cooking. Okay, let's make some okonomiyaki. So we're going to start with half a cup of flour and a half cup of water. And we're going to whisk those together until they're pretty well mixed and smooth. And now we're going to mix in the eggs, the slaw, and the shallots. Now we're going to move to the griddle. Okay, we have here a non-stick griddle. You could use a non-stick pan. You could also use a pan or a griddle that's not non-stick. Just oil it before you start. Now I'm going to make 2 pancakes because this is impress your date, right? So I'm going to put it down onto the griddle, dividing it up into 2 portions. We want to try to get them about equal size, and it's about, I'd say about a ½ inch thick, okay? And we want to put the bacon on top. Now we're going to let them firm up a bit until they're firm enough to flip. Okay, so how do we know when it's time to flip? Well, they're going to release from the griddle. Okay, I'm using a non-stick spatula here so we don't scratch our griddle. That one's not releasing, okay, so we're gonna let it go a little bit longer, get it to stick back together again. Okay, they've been on this side for about 5 minutes, I would say, and it seems like they have released. Good. Now we're gonna flip them, okay? Spatula's under both ends, closer to the one end to the side, flip it, okay? I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. Bring it over a little bit closer to the edge, flip it, okay. Now we're gonna let that cook, so we want the bacon to get browned and cooked, but not crispy. We're gonna press them into the griddle a little bit. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes, and I'll tell you, waiting is the hardest part on these. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Okay. All right, perfect, perfect. Okay, next thing we're going to do is brush the tops with the okonomiyaki sauce pretty generously. Okay, now we want to top with the chicken. Okay, now we want to squeeze a little bit more okonomiyaki sauce over the top. And then we want to go the other way with the Kewpie mayonnaise. We're going to garnish with a little sprinkle of eskimi togarashi. Then we're going to garnish with the scallions. Okay, that is the finished okonomiyaki. Now, I'm going to serve it right on this griddle, okay? And we're going to use these non-stick spatulas to cut it so that we don't scratch the griddle. And we're going to turn the heat down to low. And if it starts to seem like it's cooking too much, or maybe you smell a little bit of burning or whatever, we're going to turn the heat off. But that way, it will stay warm while we're eating it, and the bottom will still get a little bit crispier. So please enjoy the okonomiyaki. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and have a great date.